Hello friends, today we are Etobicoke Drive Test Center. We are going to Etobicoke G2 test route today, and in G2 test they are going to ask you parallel parking at the end of the starting. I am going to put the parallel parking with the cones at the end of this video, and if you have any question after that, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Okay, let's go to Etobicoke G2 test route. You have to park your car at these parking spots, and then they will take you right or left. If they're going to ask the parallel parking first, they will take you to right, and if they ask you parallel parking in the last, they will take you to left. First of all, look around everywhere. Anyone coming? Yeah, no one coming. We'll take left here. Yeah, we'll take left here, and then these pools, they will ask them where this parallel parking, and you have to park between these two pools. For this, I am going to teach you the parking in my separate video, and we'll take a left here. Yeah, after parking, they will take you out from here like this, and we'll take a left here. Look, anyone coming? Yeah, one car is coming. I have to wait for that car. Yeah, I'm looking for that car. I don't know, look like he's a little bit confused, going straight or right. Yeah, he turned right. Yeah, good. And I can take a left from here. And this stop sign is not always stop sign. Okay, this is only for you. It's a two-way stop sign. You have a stop sign, other side have stop sign. We'll take a right here. It's not written here. It's a two-way stop sign, and we'll take a right here. And they will take you right from the next stop sign. That's Eglinton Avenue. Take a right here. Stop before the crosswalk. Stop before the crosswalk here. Yeah. Look around. One car is coming. I can wait for that car. One more car is coming. You have to wait for these cars. And they're coming fast because of the 60 speed limit on the Eglinton Avenue. So be careful. The cars are coming too fast, and be careful. Yeah, one car is turning inside. Yeah, and one is going straight. Yep, very good. Now it's safe to do so. We'll turn right here. And on the Eglinton Avenue, speed limit is 60. You have to go 60 as soon as possible. Mirror, signal, blind spot, check around everywhere. Light is green, we can check both sides. When you're passing through any green light, make sure you just check both sides. But like this, you have to make sure check it. Okay, check for pedestrian, check for the car. Then the examiner will tell you next traffic light we will take left. Speed limit 60 here. Then check mirror, signal, blind spot, MSB. Change it to left. Go to the left lane, just like this, and then we'll take left on the next traffic light. Then mirror, signal, blind spot, and go to the leftmost lane, left turning lane. Don't touch yellow line, go from the white line, go left turn from here, and that is the orbiter drive. We take light is red, we have to stop, complete stop your car here, and light is green. Now we can go in the middle, wait for the incoming cars. One car is coming, bus is coming, few cars are coming behind also, they're coming too fast. Make sure watch for all of them. And one pedestrian is walking on that side, and to keep an eye on that one also. When you're standing in the middle of the green light, keep on checking light, keep on checking car, keep on checking pedestrian. When everything is safe, then turn left. Okay, we'll take left on the orbiter drive now, and it's only one lane. Don't change lane to right, it's only one lane here. And speed limit is 50 on the orbiter. 50 meaning is you have to drive between 45 and 50. Don't exceed speed limit. And this is a always stop sign. Make sure complete. You stop at the white line, check both sides, and then go. You have to stop completely for 3 seconds. Don't count 3 seconds. When you stop completely, check both sides and go, and then make it 3 seconds. And but if you want to count, you can count also. There's not a problem in that. But complete, make sure stop completely on the stop sign. Okay. And we'll take a left on the next traffic light, enter from the corner. Yeah, and that's a Matheson Boulevard. And light is red again. We have to stop at the white line. Complete stop here. Light is red. When you're standing at the red light, keep on checking both sides. Anyone coming? Yeah, cars are coming, bus is coming. When you're standing on the red light, don't keep on looking at the light only. Check everywhere, both sides, front, back. Anyone coming from any side? Yes, their light turned to yellow now, our light will be green soon. So keep on checking on the lights. Lights, pedestrian, cars, the light is green. No one is coming from the front. We can take left here. And there's a 2 lane. Go to the leftmost lane here first. And then mirror signal blind spot, MSB, and then change it to right. Like this. Mirror signal blind spot and speed limit is 60 here. 60 meaning is 55 to 60. See, it's written there maximum 60. Maximum 60 meaning is not 61. Okay. And satellite will take a right. Satellite drive, we will take a right here. Again, light is red. We have to stop there first. Red light, no matter what. Like if your light is red, you have to stop there first. So many people think you can take just right from the red light. No, you have to stop there first, then check. Anyone coming? No one. Then take a right. And this is only 1 lane here. That's the cycle lane. Don't touch cycle lane. Don't touch yellow line. Keep in the middle of the lane. Like this. It's 50 here. And after that they will tell you to take left, right, any of these streets. There's not fixed every street they're going to take, but they can take you to any street here. Mirror signal blind spot, we'll take left here. We'll take to the first street here. And we'll take, no one is coming, we can take left here. Like this. Right? So then they will tell you, pull over on the right side. Mirror signal blind spot and check, then pull over on the right side. When you pull over here, then they will tell you, okay, when it's safe to do so, do uphill parking or downhill parking. Just turn the wheels accordingly and then put in parking. Make sure you put in parking because they use the word parking, so you have to do the parking. Then they will tell you, let's go. Then put in drive. Look, mirror signal blind spot. Look back, anyone coming? No one coming. We can take out. Then they will again tell you, pull over on the right side. Pull over on the right side and stop here. Then they tell you do 3-point turn here. So you know it's a very big road. You can do like a kind of a U-turn here, but don't do U-turn here. They ask you to do 3-point turn, so you do 3-point turn only here. One car is coming, so don't block their way. Don't start your 3-point turn. When the car is gone, then we will do it. Yeah. So, don't block anybody's way. Before like starting, if you can see the cars, no one is coming. One car is coming behind. No, it's gone also. Okay. So look around everywhere. Mirror signal blind spot. Look around and go to other side of the road. Yeah, like this. Okay. Reverse. Right indicator. Look around. Anyone coming? Then no one coming. Go back and then third turn. Mirror signal blind spot and then go left here. That's good. Don't go too close to the standing cars. Keep distance. Okay. And we will take a right from this stop sign. See, there's no line here. We have to stop before the crosswalk here. Complete stop, right? And check. Anyone coming anywhere? No one coming. We are the only one here. We'll take a right here. When you turn right here, don't touch cycle lane. Don't touch yellow line. Don't touch cycle lane. This is our skill they want to test. How you turn it. So make sure don't drive on the cycle lane or don't touch the yellow line or something. This is what the skill they want to see. And speed limit is 50 here. 50 meaning is 45 to 50. Next traffic light we will take a right. That's called Matheson. We'll take a right here. Light is green, we can take a right. We don't have to stop. No pedestrian coming, no car is coming in our way. We can take a right here. Just like this. Good job. Right? And speed limit is 60 here. We'll go to 60. And then examiner will tell you next traffic light we will take left. I can't see the traffic light right now, but when you see the traffic light, change it to left. So when they say mirror signal blind spot, I will change it to left. Okay, and then again go to the left lane. When you turn off the signal one time and then put it on again, okay? Don't change two lanes together with a one indicator. Light is green, no one is coming from front, everything is clear, pedestrian, no pedestrian, I can take a left here. Yes, and it's a very wide road. Okay, just keep anyway on the right side, but it's only single lane. It's 50 speed limit here. and speed limit is 50 here. Don't exceed speed limit. 50 meaning is 45 to 50. 60 meaning is 55 to 60. Don't exceed speed limit. Some people they think that they can go like 5 over 5 down. I don't know from where these concepts come, but you cannot go over speed limit. And we go straight here, and light is green. Even if the light is green, you're going straight. Make sure check both sides, turn your neck everywhere. Check for pedestrian, check for the anything coming in our way. Yeah, we were going straight here, and we were already in the intersection. Light turned to green after yellow after that, so we can go here. And look here. But then we'll take left inside the parking lot. Look around. Go left here. And when you come here, make sure that you see all the pedestrians here, because at Tim Horton here, so many shops are around, so many pedestrians are coming around. So make sure that don't scare the pedestrians. And one more thing, you're almost about to finish the test. Don't get excited too early. And because there's so many people do the mistake in the last moment also. Make sure check until the test is finished, okay? Then the examiner will tell you turn right here. If they have not asked you any parallel parking, they will ask you parallel parking. Otherwise, your test will be finished. They will tell you to park at a safe place. Park here, and then the examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet ministry standard today. Go and get your license from inside. You pass. Congratulations, you pass your test.
Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window. Then turn one time to right side. Only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror. Like this. Yes, like this. And then turn all the way to left. And here you go. Your car is parked between the two cones like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones.
I hope you like my video. If still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more tips and resources to pass your G or G2 driving test in Ontario. And don't forget to share with your friends also. Thank you.